Stop. If your ZZ plant is sitting there doing nothing, growing slowly, or losing its beautiful green shine, you might be making one simple mistake that thousands of plant owners make. The ZZ plant looks almost impossible to kill, but the wrong light, too much water, or poor soil can quietly damage it over time. In this video, I'll reveal 7 powerful ZZ plant care tips that can help your plant grow stronger, produce new shoots, and stay healthy for years. Whether you are a beginner or a houseplant lover, these secrets will completely change the way you care for your ZZ plant. Stay until the end, because tip number 7 is the key to unlocking faster growth. Tip 1. Give your ZZ plant the perfect light. Many people believe ZZ plants need darkness because they can survive in low light. But survival is not the same as healthy growth. If you want your ZZ plant to grow bigger and produce new stems, give it bright, indirect sunlight. A location near an east-facing window or a few feet away from a bright window is ideal. Avoid placing it under harsh, direct afternoon sunlight because the leaves can develop burns and yellow patches. If your plant looks weak, stretched, or grows extremely slowly, it may be asking for more light. Rotate your ZZ plant every few weeks so all sides receive equal light. The right lighting balance will help your plant create stronger stems and beautiful, glossy leaves. Tip 2. Master the watering secret. The number one reason ZZ plants fail is overwatering. Unlike many tropical plants, ZZ plants store water inside their thick rhizomes and roots, allowing them to survive dry conditions. The secret is simple. Let the soil dry completely before watering again. Depending on your climate and indoor conditions, this may take 2 to 4 weeks. When it is time to water, give the plant a deep drink until water flows from the drainage holes. Then remove any extra water. Never follow a strict daily watering schedule because every home is different. Yellow leaves, soft stems, and a bad smell from the soil are warning signs of too much moisture. Remember, a thirsty ZZ plant can recover, but a rotting ZZ plant is much harder to save. Tip 3. Use the right soil mix. Healthy ZZ plant growth begins underground with strong roots. The wrong soil can trap too much moisture and create problems like root rot. ZZ plants prefer a loose, well-draining soil mix that allows air to reach the roots. A cactus or succulent soil mix works very well because it drains quickly. You can also create your own mixture by combining regular potting soil with perlite and coarse sand to improve drainage. Always choose a pot with drainage holes so extra water can escape easily. When the roots receive enough oxygen, your ZZ plant will become stronger and more resistant to stress. Great leaves start with great roots, so never ignore the importance of quality soil when caring for your plant. Tip 4. Keep ZZ plant leaves clean. Your ZZ plant's beautiful shiny leaves are not only attractive, they also help the plant collect light. Over time, dust can cover the leaves and reduce their ability to photosynthesize efficiently. A simple cleaning routine can make a big difference. Every few weeks, gently wipe each leaf with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust and dirt. This also gives you a chance to check for pests, yellowing leaves, or other problems early. Avoid using artificial leaf shine products because they may block the natural surface of the leaves. Clean leaves allow your ZZ plant to look brighter, healthier, and more vibrant. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your indoor plant collection looking beautiful. Tip 5. Feed your ZZ plant correctly. Although ZZ plants are low maintenance, they still need nutrients to grow stronger. Fertilizing at the right time can encourage healthier leaves and new shoots. During the active growing seasons of spring and summer, use a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer once every 1 or 2 months. Always dilute the fertilizer according to the instructions because too much can burn the roots. Avoid feeding your ZZ plant during colder months when growth naturally slows down. Think of fertilizer as a supplement, not a replacement for proper light, water, and soil. A healthy foundation creates better results than adding extra nutrients. With gentle feeding and consistent care, your ZZ plant can develop thicker stems, greener leaves, and a fuller appearance over time. Tip 6. Repot only when necessary. ZZ plants are slow growers, and they actually enjoy being slightly root-bound. Many beginners make the mistake of repotting too often, which can stress the plant. Only move your ZZ plant into a larger container when roots begin growing out of the drainage holes. The pot becomes unstable, or the soil dries extremely fast after watering. Choose a new pot that is only slightly larger than the previous one. A container that is too big can hold extra moisture and increase the risk of root problems. When repotting, use fresh, well-draining soil and handle the roots gently. Giving your ZZ plant the right amount of space will encourage steady growth while keeping the plant comfortable and healthy. Tip 7. Encourage new ZZ plant shoots. Seeing new ZZ plant shoots appear is one of the most exciting moments for any plant lover. However, patience is essential because ZZ plants naturally grow slower than many other houseplants. To encourage new growth, focus on the basics. Provide bright, indirect light, water correctly, maintain healthy soil, and avoid constantly moving the plant. New stems usually appear when the plant has enough energy stored in its underground rhizomes. During the growing season, consistent care can help your ZZ plant become fuller and more impressive. Remember, there are no magic shortcuts, but the right environment allows your plant to reach its full potential. Give your ZZ plant time, and it will reward you with beautiful green growth. Outro. Now you know the 7 secrets to growing a healthier, stronger, and more beautiful ZZ plant. The biggest lesson is simple. Less water, better light, healthy soil, and consistent care will create amazing results. Your ZZ plant does not need complicated treatments or expensive products. It only needs the right environment and a little patience. If you apply these tips, your plant can become a stunning indoor decoration that continues growing for many years. Which ZZ plant tip surprised you the most? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to naturallife_SR7 and turn on notifications for more amazing indoor plant care secrets. See you in the next green adventure.